Hello, my travel partners, and welcome back to my travel channel. You are here on Angel's Travel Channel today, and we are talking tech. So you're wondering to yourself, this is a travel channel. Why is tech important? Well, let me demystify it for you right away. I use tech to make my videos. Can you hear me? Apple, your girl has done gone and gotten crazy. And what am I going to say? Help, I have an Apple addiction. Today, I am making this video both with my Apple phone XR and my Generation 8 iPad. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the information, lovies. So as you can see, that's my box. They send this with this type of label on there because I guess they want the shipping people to know that this item has battery in there, so be careful with it. So like I said, I went a little bit crazy. This is almost like, when you go to McDonald's and you get a burger, you got to get a fries and you get some ketchup and some dips and some juice and some whatever. That's what I did, except pineapple is not McDonald's money, okay? Neither is it McDonald's pay. It's the SD card reader. There you go. And this is what it looks like. I got these. This particular purchase, I was able to get it engraved for free through Apple. We are going to bust it open. Tweezer. Never trust a Jamaican woman with a blade. And I'm Jamaican. Ta-da! So this is my first time opening it, as you can see. I was supposed to get the computer first and everything after, but it ended up that I received the computer last. So I purchased this. I did my purchase, I believe, last week, Thursday or on Wednesday. It's not good to stay home when you're on vacation, truthfully. This is what the little babies look like. See? Purple Phoenix. And so that is my DBA. It comes out like that. And open. And this here, this is the charging case that it comes in. It's cute. See? Ta-da! Go put it in there. Hello. And it fits perfectly. As you can see, I have really small ears, so not every speaker and things like that will fit me because of how small my ears are. And so there it is. Insert that goes with it and all the fun Apple stuff that normally comes with the Apple items. Now, I started using Apple back in 2014. I started using Apple due to my job. Before, I was loyal to Android, and even my personal phone, even though I started using Apple, I remained loyal with my Android phone for maybe a year or two after that. And then once I went to Apple, I tried going back to Android, and I had to switch back over really quickly because it just not the same. It isn't the same, honey. SD card reader and USB-C to SD card reader. That's what it says on there. Look like they just like took this off of the shelf because it's got a little sticky. That I did get all of mine delivered. I did not go to a store to go pick it up. Not me. No, not me. This is what it looks like right there. So you put it the card through there to read it, and it has that. And I'm a Cancer. If you believe in astrology and that other good stuff. That's my zodiac sign, is Cancer. And then my Chinese year is the horse. Next thing I got was this. This is the MacBook, and it is the 13-inch Mac Air Book with Apple M1 chip, 256 gigabytes SSD, 8 gig unified memory. Open this baby up. So I use the tweezer to open it up because, yes, I don't want my box to be scratched. Yeah, I got issues. It's okay. My last computer that I purchased was the Chromebook. But I'm not really happy with the Chromebook. It's just extremely simple. I can't do anything with it. So, or maybe I just don't know how to do things with it, but it's not a regular computer. And I mean, I did own it for, when did I got it? I got it last year. Yeah, I got it last year. So I would say it's the computer that I have owned the shortest amount of time. All right, so this is what it looks like. Ta-da-da. This is it. And it comes. It's so cute. Yes, honey. Look, you can see my face in there. Do you see my face? There's that. Yes. Look. You see my face? Not in that one. But look. Do you see me? 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 It's nice and thin. Did you hear that? Then it opens up, and it is loading all that beautiful apple juice into it. But honey, we are not going to be setting it up today for you. That's going to be another video.
It's the main language. Press the return key.
It is not touch screen. Comes with this. So that's the pluggy thing. And this is to be noted. So on the you can normally use the wire that you charge the phone with on the iPod, the phones, but when it comes to the MacBook Air, it used a different type of wiring. So should I damage this? Hopefully not. I'm good at damaging these darn things. But should I damage it, then I would need to purchase a new one. And so it's this, and then here is the, ooh, look at the charger box. It looks so fancy. Here's the box that goes with it, and it's wrapped in nice paper like the rest of it. Signed by for Apple in California. Of course, the box is sturdy like all its other boxes. If you have an iPhone, if you're a Apple person, then you've seen the boxes before. And again, the office. So I did the student because I didn't really I didn't want to pay the extra almost $100 for the business one. And this is not the one that expired. This is the one that you stay with you. This one cost less than $200. And of course you see on it, it says no disc. So there you have it, my travel partners. My new. Can you say new?